Hello, student. Welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The chapter name is Feeling Good, Being Healthy. It means that when we are healthy, we feel good, isn't it? Before going to start our chapter, first of all, tell me, students, are you conscious about your health? Are you conscious about your diet? It is so important to look after our bodies. After all, we have only one body, isn't it? So, how to be healthy and what we have to do to be a healthy, let's see in this chapter. Okay, first of all, there are some ways by which we can be a healthy. So, let's see what are that things. See here, there are the steps to leading a healthy life. You should really try them. Make sure to eat all your veggies and fruits in order to maintain a balanced diet. So, student, if you want to be healthy, you have to have all the veggies. See here, you can see here one plate of veggies. Okay, many veggies are here. Okay, so being healthy, you have to eat healthy food, and in your food the veggies has to be included and your food has to be balanced diet. See here is everything. Here is veggies, here is fruits, here is chicken, here is rice. Means here is what is meaning of balanced diet? Balanced diet means in your diet every ingredient has to be there. We need fats, we need protein, we need carbohydrate, we need minerals, we need water, we need roughage, and we need vitamins. Okay, so all these things have to be there in our daily food. So if it is present in our food, we call it as a balanced diet. Okay, so see here what the author telling us. For being healthy, we have to follow some steps. What are that steps? Every day we have to include veggies, fruits in our in our diet, and we have to maintain our balanced diet. Okay. Okay, so good day start with a feeling breakfast and ends with a wholesome dinner. If you eat your meal on time, then you are the sole winner. ओके, इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपके दिन की शुरुआत जो है वो हमेशा ब्रेकफास्ट से होनी चाहिए, फुल ऑफ ब्रेकफास्ट से होनी चाहिए, और रात में आपने डिनर करना चाहिए। और अगर आपके खाने पीने का जो टाइमिंग है अगर वो फिक्स है, तो ये जो हेल्थ की बैटल है ये आप इजीली विन कर सकते हो। ओके, similarly, you have to listen to your elders and what they have to say. Remember to drink water and fluids all throughout the day. ओके, एंड साथ में आपने अपने एल्डर्स का कहना मानना चाहिए। वो क्या कहते हैं वो सुनना चाहिए। यू शुड नॉट आपने उनके साथ आर्गूमेंट्स नहीं करना चाहिए। यू शुड नॉट बी बैड टू देम। और आपने टाइम टाइम पे पानी पीना चाहिए, साथ ही साथ फ्लूइड्स लेने चाहिए, जैसे कि जूस हो गया या फिर कोई भी फ्लूइड। ओके, जिससे क्या हो आपके शरीर का पानी मेंटेन हो, बिकॉज वी नो दैट आवर बॉडी इज़ मेड अप ऑफ 90% of water. Okay, and our body needs water to do all the work. Okay, and if we not take enough water, then what will happen? Then dehydration happen, and because of the dehydration we can get a giddy also. That means we can be unconscious also. Okay, and many more other health problems also arise. Okay, so students, always remember that you have to start your day with a full of breakfast, and you have to end your day with the dinner, and you have to listen to your elders and also have a enough amount of water throughout the day. Okay, the next, see, the key to a healthy lifestyle is making sure that you adrenals flows, do your exercise and stretch yourself from head to your toes. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? आपकी हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल ही क्या है आपको आपका हेल्दी बॉडी जो है वो दे सकता है। आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म वो क्या कर सकता है, उसको ठीक रख सकता है। आपके इंटरनल जो भी स्ट्रक्चर है उसको सही ढंग से चला सकता है। ओके, और उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, यू हैव टू डू द एक्सरसाइज एंड यू हैव टू स्ट्रेच योर बॉडी फ्रॉम टू टू योर हेड। इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपने एवरीडे एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए टू बीइंग अ हेल्दी। ओके, देन लिविंग इन अ क्लीन एटमॉस्फेयर एनवायरमेंट इज समटाइम समथिंग दैट विल मेक यू स्माइल। देखो, लिविंग इन अ क्लीन एनवायरमेंट इज समथिंग विल मेक यू स्माइल। ओके, आप अगर हेल्दी और क्लीन एटमॉस्फेयर में रहते हो, एनवायरमेंट में रहते हो, देन इट विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली ब्रिंग स्माइल ऑन योर फेस। You should do your house chores even if you just for a while। आपने अपने घर को क्या करना चाहिए, साफ रखना चाहिए। अर्ली टू बेड एंड अर्ली टू राइज शुड बी अ स्लीपिंग पैटर्न फॉर ऑल। दीज हैबिट्स विल कीप एवरीवन फिट एंड हेल्दी नो मैटर हाउ बिग और स्मॉल। सी, आपने क्या करना चाहिए, आपने जल्दी से सोना चाहिए और जल्दी से उठना चाहिए, और आपका यही स्लीपिंग पैटर्न होना चाहिए। फिर आप छोटे हो या बड़े हो, यू हैव टू गो टू बेड अर्ली एंड यू हैव टू राइज अर्ली। ओके, अगर इस तरीके का आपका स्लीपिंग पैटर्न होता है तो डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट अ हेल्दी बॉडी। ओके, सो नाउ you understand what we have to do. First of all, we have to take a veggies. Okay, we have to maintain our balanced diet. Then we have to start our day with the breakfast, then end with the dinner, and we have to listen our elders, and also we have to take ample amount of water throughout the day. Okay, then we have to live in a clean environment. Then we have to do exercise. Okay, and we have to clean our home, and we have to bed early and rise early. And through all these good habits we can maintain our healthy body, because in a healthy body only God lives. Okay, so here what moral we get, we can maintain our healthy body by maintaining our good habits. Okay, by maintaining our healthy lifestyle. So what is the moral today? The healthy body we can get by maintaining the healthy lifestyle. And what is the healthy lifestyle? Just now we have seen. Okay, so there are a lot of things that we need to do in order to lead a fit and healthy life. Okay, there are many things. What are these things that have we have already seen in this chapter. Okay, students, so that's all for today. See you tomorrow in our next video.